My name is Lale. I'm from Sevilla, and I've worked for Riviera now for 3 years, and I do the Douro River, which to me is incredible place because it has such an energy, and to experience the Douro is something very, very special, and it's just so peaceful and so beautiful and has so much wildlife. Everything is like within a few steps. It's very easy. They can have everything in there because we make this happen. We make the entertainment, the food, especially I'm talking about the destination where I work, is absolutely excellent. The wines. So every day is something, and it's really funny to see that people hardly spend any time in their cabins. They're hooked to this family ambience that we create. People experience an absolutely fantastic week with a lot of different things within. We go out and we have dinner out, we visit places, and they're magnificent places anyway. So it's excellent. And then, of course, at the end of it is always a few tears because of the time that we've had together. That is very precious. Open yourself to whatever is coming to you and flow with it, basically. Yeah, and take that beautiful energy of that place within you, and then you will be fantastic at the end of it.